So one of the things that TCI does for our clients is anything that plugs into the network, we try to assist people with. So one of the really common things that people deploy is security cameras. You might have a restaurant where you need to see what's going on. Is there people in the trash back behind there, etc. If we went ahead and we built you a network and we left you room to grow, you've got room to plug in an entire security system. Even if you've only got 4 employees, maybe you need 12 cameras. We left you all that room on your panel to grow that in. So it's just a matter of telling us, hey, I'm ready for it, I need it, we'll expand it. You don't have to change anything at your network equipment. We'll just follow the same pattern like we talk about. And then we'll hook the recording unit up to the network rack, and then we'll deploy the cameras. The cameras work on your cell phone, your laptop, whatever. There can be a command station. If you've got a whole lot of cameras, you can set up a screen where 30 or 60 cameras are all lit up there, and you can just keep an eye on the premises at all times if you've got a security guard, for instance. And so because it uses the same cord as the Wi-Fi and the computers and the phones, it's all one unified system. So that's why we do this particular kind of camera. We do sell them in weatherproof enclosures. We sell them where there's a microphone in it. You can hear the argument happening in the front of the office, etc. We sell it where you can play it back for up to 30 days, up to 60 days, just depending on the nature of your business, how far back is important enough to you. We size the system accordingly. And again, because we're planning ahead for growth, we leave room to add camera, add another camera, add another camera. You never have too many in the end. So that's part of our system. When we're talking about our structured cabling system, we plan for cameras at most locations. Even if it never comes up, the opportunity is there.